All right, welcome to Supreme Detail Supply. Today we're talking about our ceramic soap. This is a soap that is designed for foam gun use or foam cannon use. This is not a SiO2 infused soap. This is actually a better cleaning soap that is designed for ceramic coatings, as it will do more effective cleaning without damaging the coating application, versus it will remove sealant waxes or spray waxes. It will degrade those types of protections. This is very effective, it's very fast and very easy to use. All right, so here we go. We're gonna fill up our foam cannon with it. Simply what we like to do is either fill up whatever you're going to use, or we like to do a full dump and use it straight. What this is gonna do is give us a nice thick foam layer over the entire car as we apply. Some people like to dilute in the foam cannon. We don't, we just use it straight. All right, so there you have it. That's our ceramic soap. For more information and to purchase, head on over to supremedetailsupply.com and visit us on our social on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram at Supreme Detail Supply.